Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to eject the SIM tray from this device or how to eject the SIM from this device also. So at the left side of this device you will get the SIM tray, SIM slot you can see here, right? Just below the volume down button you can see here is the SIM tray. So here you can see one hole also. So we need to insert the SIM ejecting tool inside this hole like this. And just press it. You can see now the SIM tray is ejected. Now pull the tray like this. Simply like this you can eject the tray. And if you want to take the SIM, just take the SIM and you can insert the SIM tray back like this. That's it. So simply in this way you can eject the SIM tray and you can eject the SIM from this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.